Shakshuka is a popular Israeli dish that's typically cooked up in a tomato-based sauce. But for those of you who don't eat tomatoes, I've got a really fun twist on this recipe. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we create healthy and delicious recipes to support you on your own unique health journey. Today we're going to be making low-carb spinach shakshuka. Begin by heating your 10-inch cast iron or oven-proof skillet over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of either heart-healthy olive oil or avocado oil, and then heat it up until it's shimmering, not smoking. Add in 1 cup of sliced up scallions, which was about 1 bunch for me, and include the green part of the stems. So if you don't have scallions, just substitute this with chopped up onions. Both are really great for your immune system. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of sliced up celery, which was about 2 stalks for me. And celery is so good for your digestion because it includes that wonderful fiber that we all need. Cook your scallions and celery for about 3 minutes or until they soften, stirring occasionally. Next, we're going to add in 6 cups of roughly chopped up spinach and letting it cook down for about a minute just to make some more room in your pan. Then add in 2 cups of chopped up broccoli, stir it together with your veggies, and let them cook up for about a minute or 2. Next, we have 2 cloves of minced garlic, or more if you love garlic, and some spices, 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/8 a teaspoon of my favorite cayenne pepper. If you'd like an extra boost of digestive joint and skin support, add in 2 scoops of our clean source collagens powder here as well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to bring out the flavor of the spices. Now for some healthy fat, add in about 7 ounces of full fat coconut milk, which is just a little bit more than 3/4 of a cup. Be sure to stir up your coconut milk if the cream is separated from the coconut water, and then heat up until it starts to gently simmer. Make a well and then carefully crack in 4 pasture-raised organic eggs, being sure to space them out. You can either turn down the heat to low, cover, and simmer until your eggs are cooked to your desired doneness, or place the uncovered pan in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for about 9 to 12 minutes. Okay, I just took this shakshuka out of the oven and I can't wait to give it a taste. That is fantastic. It's super easy to put together. It's super healthy, super delicious, and with all those wonderful healthy fats in there, it should keep you full for a long time. You could eat this for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. You could add some fresh cilantro on top when you're serving it. Maybe serve it with some avocado. Serve it on your favorite gluten-free toast or pita bread. So good. Give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, take great care of yourself. I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. And if you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. Take care. Bye-bye.